Welcome to the Gund Arena in Cleveland. It's the Cleveland Cavaliers and the Denver Nuggets. Boozer is a very talented player who will be depended upon heavily to contribute on both ends of the floor.
You can see why he's such a great player. It's his athleticism. He's got speed and power, and he knows how to use both of those things to his advantage. The Nuggets will no doubt have to find an answer for him.
The Cavaliers control the tip. Backs him down from the post. Hook shot's good. Miller covered by James. He crosses over. Throws it down. Carmelo Anthony.
That basket was too easy, Mark.
A very poor effort by Camby.
The assist to number 21, Darius Miles.
Nice basket. He absorbs the contact, changes his shot while in flight, and makes the basket. From the low block, post shot is no good. Able to shake loose. Carmelo Anthony. With the shot, misses from inside. Miles not able to answer at the other end. Anthony charged with the offensive foul, his first personal. Good move by Boozer. Here's Ilgauskas, able to finish from inside.
One up.
Here's Anthony. Beautiful shot. He's able to take the contact, make the adjustment, and gets it to fall. James handling. Here's Ilgauskas. And we are all tied up. James with the helper. Able to shake loose. Carmelo Anthony.
1 minute remaining in the first quarter.
Camby is really feeling it defensively.
That block should send the message to the other team.
Anthony with the facial. With the jumper, can't find the hole. Camby played solid defense down low and forced the opposition into a tough shot.
Bear down. Come on now, bear down.
James sets it up on the right side. Ilgauskas is met by Camby. Yes! They're not playing at a very high level defensively.
They need to do a much better job of cutting off the dribble penetration.
Here's Anthony. Gets the two from the post. James bringing it up court. Miles lets it go from the perimeter. Able to hit from downtown. Miller from about 50. Counted the basket at the buzzer to end the quarter. What a shot.
They'll still have to review it, but it looked to me like he got it off, Marv.
Well, as the first quarter.
Help me out on this.
Hits for two. The other team will have a very difficult time catching up if he stays hot from the field.
They look lost defensively. They seem to have no idea how to stop him.
From the paint, hits it off the glass.
Ilgauskas setting him up for the finish. That's how you take advantage of the defense coming to challenge.
Darius Miles. Oh, a great rejection. Anthony being played by Ilgauskas. Anthony tried to compensate for the contact, but could not get it to go. With the gorgeous move, takes the contact, adjusts his shot in midair, and gets it to go. Lays it home.
Here's that play one more time.
Darius Miles.
Rebound number 1. James with the ball. Denied by Camby. The Cavaliers need to do a better job of getting back on defense.
There's no excuse for being outnumbered in transition.
James advances the ball. He puts it up. Jumper's good.
James with the heads-up play. He saw the mismatch and got him the ball.
He serves up the facial.
James has no problem scoring, but what's more impressive is his unselfishness and his ability to make great passes.
Here's Anthony. What a move. Definitely contact on the play, but he compensates and hits it anyway. Nene with a very poor defensive effort.
He seemed to almost give up on that play.
Anthony picked up by Miles. Anthony takes the contact, adjusts his shot, and is able to finesse it home. We are under a minute now until the end of the quarter. Davis defended by Barry. Here's James.
The assist to number 31, Ricky Davis.
Anthony played by Miles. What a move. Carmelo Anthony.
They isolated the defender one-on-one and took advantage of him. The offense called the right play.
Davis had to adjust his shot because of the contact and could not get it to fall.
Anthony wants to isolate his defender and go one-on-one.
14 seconds showing on the clock.
I got this.
Down to 5 in the quarter.
Get it on! Come on, big fella. I know.
So the second quarter comes to a close. The Nuggets lead by 6. Barry is met by Davis.
That's a definite mismatch when you compare his offensive ability to his man's ability to defend. That's not a matchup the defense wants to see.
Lays it up for 2. The defensive breakdown resulted in an easy basket.
It was too easy for the offensive player to drive past his defender.
Oh, the gorgeous move by Anthony. Layup's good.
These teams have had equal success from the field during this game. It's been a good matchup so far.
Setting it up. Nene commits the foul, his first.
Nene, that's his first personal.
Rims out.
Number 1.
Let's shoot him, man.
Block up, fellas. Make sure
He's 1 of 2.
Anthony able to adjust his shot to avoid the block. A nice changeup to get that basket.
What a move. Ricky Davis. They continue to show the touch offensively.
Another nice basket. They've hit a couple in a row.
Nice basket. He absorbs the contact, changes his shot while in flight, and makes the basket. Camby with the nice defensive play.
He's really moving right now defensively.
The move by Anthony with the spectacular move. Carmelo Anthony. Davis setting up down low. The two's no good. Barry with the solid defensive effort.
He did a very good job of staying with his man and challenging the shot.
Coming up left.
Camby alters his shot. Too much contact. Could not adjust in time to make it fall. Able to shake loose. Carmelo Anthony. The Nuggets appear to be the better team and continue to extend their lead. They have the ability to wear down their opponent and are looking to blow this lead wide open. Backing down.
Seal it right.
Missed on that one.
They could look for a quick shot here and try for a 2-for-1.
With the emphatic dunk, Carmelo Anthony.
Come on, guys. Tighten up. Tighten up. Stick. You have to get back.
He shoots. The two's no good. Denver has stepped it up defensively.
They've shut down the other team during...
Darius Miles sends it back. 15 seconds to play in the quarter. James with the penetration. What a move by Anthony. Swatted from behind by Miles.
Miller got in front of his man and prevented a transition basket.
He's starting to step it up defensively. And here we have the end of the third quarter. The Nuggets lead by 13. This is still anyone's game with only the fourth quarter left. With the pull-up, sinks the jumper. The dish off by James.
The assist to number 23.
Sets it up.
LeBron James.
Anthony is charged with the offensive, and that'll be his second personal. From down low, Camby sends it away.
He stayed with his man and read the play perfectly. Great block.
Good move by Anthony.
The Nuggets have restored a double-digit lead because of their stellar play at both ends of the court.
Oh, the gorgeous move by Miles. Hits the two.
They need to do a much better job of rotating when a defender gets beat.
It was too easy for the offensive player to get an open look. Anthony guarded by Miles. Anthony with a tough defense by Miles.
The Nuggets have come up huge in this game and are looking to finish him off in the fourth quarter.
They fought off the comeback and look in good shape to finish with a victory. The Nuggets with the numbers. Anthony from close range with the gorgeous move. Takes the contact, adjusts his shot in midair, and gets it to go. Davis pulling up from the perimeter. Can't hit from downtown. The assist by Ilgauskas. He's really been able to contribute with his passing.
That just goes to show you that you don't need to put up big numbers to make a difference. Tonight, he's been able to make an impact with his assists. The Nuggets have set the tone in the fourth quarter and look ready to put this team away for good.
Davis rises from the perimeter, drains it from downtown. The move by Anthony comes up with two.
The Nuggets have built up another double-digit lead and look like a confident team.
Cleveland.
The three's good from downtown. The delivery by Ilgauskas.
Number 11, Zydrunas Ilgauskas.
Miller on the left
1
side.
minute left in the fourth quarter. Defensive foul to number 31, Ricky Davis.
The Cavaliers now in the penalty.
Defensive foul to number 23, LeBron James.
Doesn't fall. Miller missed both of them.
It will take a miracle finish to get the win.
Anything can happen. A three here will get it closer. James with the open shot. Counted for two.
The Nuggets have seen their lead dwindle, but remain ahead as we head into the crucial fourth quarter stretch.
Ilgauskas commits his first and is called for the intentional.
That's his first personal.
Can't hit the first.
The Cavaliers need to score right away and then foul hope for a quick turnover.
Canby changes his shot.
The Nuggets need one last spurt and they can celebrate a victory.
Double. Help me out on this. 4 up now, 4 up. Right.
Davis up on the shooter. The three-pointer is good.
Anthony able to hit even with a hand in his face.
Here's Miles. It is no good from downtown. Canby's been a standout so far, rebounding the basket.
Picked him, quick hands, able to strip it away.
Darius Miles. He won't be denied.
Timeout, Denver.
I'm open.
This one is in the books. The Nuggets have won it. The final score is 62-55. This is not the result they were hoping for.
The other team did the necessary things down the stretch to get the win.
Here's tonight's player of the game.
NBA, it don't get no better than this. Pusher, 1/2 of the clips. We ain't playing no games. Kings of the court.